Hey guys, for today's video, you'll learn how to remove songs from already posted posts. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, so watch to understand. You'll first want to open Instagram. This will take you to your homepage. Now, tap on your profile icon. As you can see, I have a few posts with songs in them. Pick a post with a song, and to proceed, tap on the three dots. This will take you to a tab with many options. You'll want to tap on Edit. After that, you'll land on the Edit menu, and the thing you'll need to click on is Advanced Settings. As you can see, there's no option to take the music out, but I have a simple solution. Go back to the three-dot tab and click on Save to your device. After you've done that, archive your post so you won't see it again. Go ahead and post the video again by clicking this plus sign. Then, choose a song and pick from these selections of songs. Once you're done, you're ready to post. Simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.